Hello, today I'm gonna show you how the key buttons of the keyboard for MacBook Pro look like. It comes out like this from the injection machine, as you can see, and this is without putting the black color on it and the laser. Here I show you how it look like after printing and after making the colors. Here I'll show you how it takes out. It comes out like this, as you can see. I'm gonna show you how to replace the original keys with the other keys. For example, this is QWERTY and also have Arabic printing on it. For example, start with the Q. You need to take it out from this side of the keyboard. Comes out like this. See, have a base and hangs down there. I bring the other key buttons to change it. You just put it over it like this in the center and just click. That's it. The other ones as look like this. You replace it with the other buttons. Click. That's it. Here, as you can see, after we put most of the keys in the keyboard, we will see the backlight is functional with it and is working after the new keys. There it is, same like original but with Arabic printing.